It all started when Alex woke up with the tiniest tickle in their nose. One normal, achoo. Later, boom. Their bedroom wall had a kid-shaped hole, and the neighbor's trampoline was in space. Alex, staring at hands. I just sneezed my homework into next week. Chaos unleashed. At school. A slow-motion sneeze blows the principal's toupee into a tree. The class cheers. At the park. Alex tries to hold it in. Mr. Whiskers becomes a furry comet over the duck pond. The villain arrives. Dr. Sniffles, in a pollen-spewing mech suit, declares, I will make everyone allergic to happiness. Problem. Dr. Sniffles forgot to take his allergy meds. One whiff of his own pollen, Dr. Sniffles. Alex, panicked. No, don't. Both. Chuh. The double sneeze creates a tornado that launches the villain onto a passing ice cream truck. The heroic twist Alex realizes their power is perfect for. Filling sails on a stalled boat race. Achoo, we won? Blowing out 100 birthday candles at once. Make a wish. Aku. Oops, that was the cake. Dr. Sniffles, sniffling from a jail cell. Curse you, super sneeze. And also, bless you.